Ben Faminia, the chair of SCLA. Good evening, how are you?
Really well, thank you. Thanks for having me.
Pleasure. You are the first interviewee of the night. We're just about to kick off, so it's a real pleasure to chat with you right here. Now, Ben, tell us, there's a bit of a goal for SCLA going forward when it comes to attracting new talent and just overall training. What can you tell us?
Well, look, a decision was made by the board last year to start a new committee on training, education, and personal development. We call it TED Committee.
Yep.
And so the idea is for TED Committee to identify the gaps in educational and personal development gaps in the market, and to develop initiatives to address those gaps in some form.
Yep.
So we do recognize that there are issues in our current education system in particular, because this particular gap has been there forever.
Yep.
So this is the idea to help our education system and help our individuals, our companies to fill those gaps.
So just briefly, what can we do to actually attract talent? What are some of those gaps?
A lot of things we can do. One of the things that we have in mind is to develop new educational initiatives, and part of it is to collaborate with universities. For an example, next year we are introducing a brand new micro-credential with Sydney Uni, so collaboration between SCLAA and Sydney Uni, and that will be to develop a completely new initiative on educating our managers and business owners on intelligent supply chain decision making, the use of IT systems and technology, basically to make more informed decisions. So part of it is basically through education, part of it is through mentorship programs, so connecting our students more to industry, basically to finding out how best we can inform our fresh graduates and junior executives to get into market and better position themselves.
So with that being said, Ben, have you got any of those potential students or universities here present tonight?
I have a few, yes. I've got at least 5 from Sydney Uni and from a couple other universities, but I don't know many others, honestly, so that's why I'm here. I'm just here to get to know others.
And overall, how would you describe the supply chain logistics industry for those, thinking about joining it? What can you say in a nutshell? What is it?
Emerging, fast, evolving. So I would say this is just the start of a long journey. And together we can only achieve what we want to achieve together. So SCLAA is well positioned to collaborate with universities and organizations to bring them all together to fill the existing gaps.
Yeah. Lovely. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you for
Such a
having
pleasure
me.
to meet you in person.
Thank you.
Enjoy the evening.
Have a good one.
Thank
See
you.
you, mate.